Psychological effects. Memory. 5.
Tetris effect.
When people invest a lot of time and attention in an activity, the Tetris effect, also known as Tetris syndrome, occurs. It starts to shape their thoughts, mental images, and dreams. Its name comes from the video game Tetris. People playing Tetris for a long time can find themselves thinking about ways different shapes in the real world can fit together, such as boxes on supermarket shelves or buildings on the street. They may see colored images of pieces falling into place on an invisible layout, at the edges of their visual fields, or when they close their eyes. When they fall asleep, they may see these colorful, moving images. They are a form of hypnagogic imagery. People who have experienced this effect may feel that they cannot stop these thoughts, images, or dreams from happening. A more comprehensive understanding of the lingering effects of playing video games has been empirically studied as the game transfer phenomenon, GTP. Von Restorff effect. The von Restorff effect, also known as the isolation effect, predicts that when multiple homogeneous stimuli are presented, stimuli that are different from other stimuli are more likely to be remembered. This theory was proposed by the German psychiatrist and pediatrician Hedwig von Restorff, 1906 to 1962. In her 1933 study, she found that when participants saw a list of items in similar categories, with one distinctive, isolated item on the list, memory for the item was improved. The study utilized the isolation paradigm, which refers to the distinguishing characteristic of an item in a list that is dimensionally different from other items. Testing effect. The testing effect, also known as retrieval practice, active recall, practice tests, or test-enhanced learning, suggests that when some learning period is devoted to retrieving information from memory, long-term memory increases. Cognitive psychologists are working with educators on how to use tests, not as an assessment tool, but as a teaching tool. Because testing prior knowledge is more conducive to learning than reading or passive learning materials, and even more so when the test is more challenging to memory.